Hello, Paul. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to serve you. My name is Eduardo Alvarez, and I'm make a personal video for you for the 2018 Aprilia Tuono RR18, brand new 0 kilometers, and the price is 15,488 plus registered license only. At this time, you have a discount for 1,566 on the price. The only thing you pay is taxes. On the price 15,488. I do have in the stock for you if you want to come take a look, or better off if you want to put a deposit to secure one. I'm very happy to assist you. My phone number to reach me is 905-660-2901 extension 209, and I'm very happy to put one bike on hold for you until you come. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.